Hey everyone, my name is Joep from Income Tech Design, and today we are going to start a brand new series. It's going to be a WordPress e-commerce series. So it's going to be a small series where I'm going to explain to you guys how you can create your very own e-commerce website. Now, of course, we are going to use WordPress for this website, so make sure you have a proper domain name and you have your hosting so you can actually follow along. In this video, I'm not going to work in WordPress. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what you can expect for this coming series. Now, it's going to be an e-commerce website. It's just a web shop. That's what it's going to be essentially. And the base is going to start off as a drop shipping service. And no, it's not going to be anything like those, hey, I'm going to make a Shopify site and you should integrate this plugin and that plugin to create AliExpress drop shipping. We're not doing any of this stuff. We're going to create a highly modern website. So it's going to look really clean. It's going to look really modern. And we're going to add relevant products to it. Now, we're not going to integrate anything for AliExpress or something. We're actually going to look for a good vendor, a good seller that we can resell their stuff. Use great images, create really good products, also integrate a blog in this website, and it's going to look really professional. So I also chose a theme for the website that I want to start building, or actually some sort of niche. If you don't know what a niche is just a branch that you narrow down to. So for this particular project, it's going to be a wooden accessories web shop, meaning that I'm going to try and I am going to make a web shop that sells wooden accessories for your phone, for your iPhone, for your Android phone, for your laptop, docking stations, all cool stuff like that. I'm really into wooden accessories. I have a wooden desk right now where I'm sitting behind, just a tabletop that's made out of wood, and I have some plants everywhere. I really like wooden designs. I also have a wooden phone cover, if you guys can see, so it's quite cool, I think. So we're going to create a web shop for this. I'm also going to, when this web shop is built, I'm also going to try and sell things off this website. Personally, I always build shops for my clients, and I know that they sell stuff, but I normally don't handle their marketing plans. So I'm really curious to find out how it goes when this website is live. So I'll share those details with you as well. Now, this website is going to be called the Woodstock. I already bought my domain and my server for this, my domain and my hosting. So that is setting up right now. I already installed WordPress on there. And you can follow along with the link in the description if you want to see what the progression is and how far the website is at this very moment in time. Now, there are some specific tools that I'm going to use. But before we dive into those tools, I want to show you what the website is going to look like. So I searched out on the web, I found some web store accessories, web store template. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Note that I'm not going to copy the template. I'm just going to use it to see how they structurized it. So I'm not going to copy the colors, not going to copy their content, not going to copy their style. No, it's just for me to know how it should look like. So let me quickly move over to the second panel. Here we go. So as you guys can see, this is a really clean design, just the way I like it. It's going to be something like this. So you see you have your top page, some images here. You can search for categories or make a newsletter or something like that. And then immediately when we scroll down, you can also see that we have discover products, featured products, with the pricing, some sort of slider here with reviews as well. Recent releases, so that would be recent products, and then a button with all the categories. More products, seller of the month. We can even integrate this. Even if we don't make any sales in the beginning, we can still integrate this. Some text to make a sell, or a sale, some blog posts. And then you have your footer with some socials and your newsletter where you can sign up with your email. Cool. Now the header, it has categories, photos, graphics, stuff like that. For us, it's going to be products like laptop, iPhone, Android phone, docking station, stuff like that. You have your shop, account, pages, blog. Then here you have your search, a wish list, sorry. That's something we're going to integrate as well. Account, I'm going to show you how to make an account and how to sign up for an account and use your actual account if you're a customer. And of course you have your shopping cart, and this goes also with coupons. Now, let's go back to the template, or to the PowerPoint presentation. The Woodstock, this is where I left off. We're going to use a couple of tools. This is important to know if you want to follow along. First of all, we're going to use Elementor. Now, you can use the Elementor free version, but I would not recommend it. I am going to use the Pro version. If you don't have the Pro version, don't worry. There is a way to get all of these tools cheaply and really simple and easy and safe as well. So you don't have to buy the entire package yourself, which can be pretty expensive. I bought the all of the packages myself, but that's because I sell websites for a living. So we're going to use Elementor Pro also to build the header and the footer and the dynamic pages. We're going to use Woocommerce. If you're not familiar with Woocommerce, it's basically just a plugin that allows your website to add a shop to it, sell products, make product variations, stuff like that. It's just basically your shop plugin. Last but not least, we're going to use CrocoBlock. CrocoBlock is actually a software company that sells plugins such as Chat Elements, Chat Engine, Chat WooBuilder, so you are able to create custom or dynamic data, dynamic posts. You can update your shopping carts, single product pages, archive pages. Basically all of your dynamic content is being managed in these tools. Now, especially Elementor is an important one to use. I do have a video with the very basics of Elementor on my channel if you want to check that out. I'll put in a link in the description. Now, if you don't have any of these plugins, WooCommerce is free, by the way. If you don't have Elementor or something from CrocoBlock, there is a way to get it relatively cheap. So I'm going to show you that as well. All you have to do is you have to go to Fiverr, the freelance platform. I'll put a link in the description to this one as well. Just search for Elementor and CrocoBlock, and what you'll see is you have some people that sell Elementor Pro, Astra Pro, which is a theme. We're not going to use it, but you can still get it off for this cheap price. WP Rocket and CrocoBlock license for only €5. For me it says euros because I live in the Netherlands, but here as well. I will build your dynamic website. Yeah, no, he's just gonna build our website. That's not what we need. We only need an installation of Elementor Pro, Astra Pro, CrocoBlock, updates, WordPress, Yoast SEO Premium. You see, basically all you have to do is you have to click on one of them. What do they offer? Here you see Elementor Pro, an add-on, Astra Pro, any plugin, CrocoBlock or Astra Agency. All we need to do is Elementor Pro and CrocoBlock. So for €5 you have it installed on your website, and they have an unlimited plan. So for them, just easy money making. Okay. Now, with this in mind, we are going to start the next episode building the header. That's the first episode, and from that I will see how the thing is going. I don't have any plans for this. I'm just going to create the website and we'll see how it goes. So if you are curious to see how it's going to be, follow along or check the link in the description, as you will see what the website currently looks like, and maybe you can even follow along. If I put some updates, you can see what you can expect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully you're just as thrilled as me to start this project. And yeah, I'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.